the fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We welcome you to our Friday matchup consisting the Usi Falcons and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Live na live nga po tayo ngayon dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium with your commentators. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta at kayo po maghahatid sa inyo ng aksyon dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
Yan, Tin, sinabi mo nga dito ang bakbakang Falcons versus the Golden Knights. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng panalong ito? And by the way, this is a Friday matchup ngayon dito sa ating Bucal. Live na live tayo sa ating One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page and also on Bucal Facebook page. So tutok lamang kayo at mag-comment down below kasi mamaya magsa-shoutout kami sa inyo.
Ayan nga, Rick, this would be the last week of the elimination round for the juniors and seniors basketball. Kaya talagang dapat pag-igihan ng ating dalawang kupunan ngayon dahil next week makikita nyo na po ang ating quarterfinals at aabangan natin kung sino-sino nga pong team ang makakapasok sa quarterfinals.
Yan, Tin, tamang-tama ka and everybody needs to step up here on our game. Talagang makikita natin dito ang improvement ng dalawang players na to, ng dalawang team na to kasi nga makikita na natin at malalaman na natin ang pasok sa ating quarterfinals.
Ayan nga, Rick, itong ating Usi Falcons, nakuha na po nila ang kanilang unang panalo against the STI Olympians and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Grabe, a very, very crucial game against the UNC Greyhounds last weekend. Kaya naman titingnan natin ngayon kung ano nga ba ang maipapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Ayan nga, Rick, as you can see on our screen, the Ateneo Golden Knights is getting ready for this matchup against the Usi Falcons. Kaya para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ng ating courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, anong update natin dyan?
Gorgeous afternoon, basketball fans across the Bicolanja. Prepare yourself for an exciting matchup as the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights gear up for their elimination round this season. They are set to take on the formidable USI Falcons right here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. For those who are unable to attend in person, you can catch us only here at Bucal, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. The Ateneo Junior Golden Knights clad in their jersey with their determined effort to once again get that ball. And they are also here to matches, which is to do more. Their commitment is as fierce as their fight on the court. I am Angel Bantag-Tuplano, your courtside correspondent, all the way from the bench of the Junior Golden Knights. And I will be back for more updates. Primum Regnum Dei. Back to you guys for more insights.
Thank you so much, Angel, for that update. So yun nga, makikita natin dito ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights na talagang improve ang kanilang game plan at gagawin nga nila dito ang kanilang code dito sa kanilang school, which is the Mages, to do more dito sa ating larong ito. And para makingi naman tayo ng update sa pangalawang kupunan, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi, Chen. Balitaan mo
Rick
kami
and
dyan.
Tin. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all basketball fans. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas, and I am here once again to give you the latest update and exciting courtside action as the Falcons' dedication and ready to give their all to hope that they will secure their spot in the quarterfinals. Stay with me as we witness the unforgettable matchup this afternoon. It is going to be a game to remember, so sit back, relax, and let's dive into the heart of the action by tuning to our Bucal Facebook page only here at One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, mukhang ready ngayon ang ating USI Falcons to take on the challenge on matching with the Ateneo Golden Knights. At ngayon nga, kung makikita mo, the USI are getting ready for this matchup. At maya-maya nga po, makikita na po natin ang paglaban ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. It's the Ateneo Golden Knights and the USI Falcons. Pero bago ang lahat po, gusto lang din naming pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Nago College Foundation, the home of the champions, Gold Gofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Anjana Trading, ang presyong maasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. Bimig Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. And CF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
Pasalamatan din natin ang Mangkok's Kinalas, Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Filipina Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon. Live your dreams, create memories. NCFB Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at the NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, the first world-class indoor firing range in Bicol Region, SMC Tenaga, NCF Training Pool and Driving School. Thank you so much po.
Ayan, Rick, sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin o makikita natin ng aksyon. Dito lang yan sa loob ng hardcourt ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Only here at One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Ayun nga, nagbabalik tayo ngayon dito sa Ateneo GYMNASIUM para sa pagsisimula ng ating bakbakan dito ng dalawang koponan. Jump ball nga para dito sa ating laro at unang makakakuha dito ng bola ang Usi Falcons. Pero agaw ito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, that's the first three. Or wala yun. No counted para dyan sa tres ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ball possession of the Usi Falcons. Jersey number 24. Adnu with the ball. Passes on the corner there. Medyo nahirapan dito. Offensive rebound. But there was a whistled foul there. Jersey number 13, Sumadsad, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here for the Usi Falcons. Unang foul para sa ating unang quarter. Now, Sumadsad. No good for that first attempt. Special thanks din po dito sa AJ Rain Creatives Design and Print by Miss Abigail and Sir Goy Candelaria. Maraming salamat po. Now, Sumadsad for his second attempt on the free throw line. First basket for the Usi Falcons.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights ball possession ngayon. Hakub passes to Pilapil. Now, Pilapil for that three, and it was good.
Now, that's the real three coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ball possession of the Usi. Adorna handling the ball now. Kanina papasa. Now, Grabata with the ball. Again, for the inside, no good.
Nice steal coming from Ranin. Now, Junior Knights ball possession. Hakub with the ball. Passes on the inside at makakakuha doon ng 2 points si Claro on that last attempt.
Namang na nga dito ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights by 4. But now, Adorna again with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot here. Ano kayang gagawin nila dito? Passes to Pacifico for 3. In and out ball. Pero andyan si Panganiban at natawagan pa nga ng foul. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 8 minutes and 12 seconds sa ating first quarter. Panganiban on his first try. That's good. Making it a 2 points for the Usi Falcons. Now for the second attempt of Panganiban here. Perfect basket on the free throw line para kay Panganiban.
Now, Junior Knights basketball. Now, jersey number 23. But a whistle coming from our referee here. Now, Pilapil will have that opportunity on that free throw line. First attempt, a clean basket para dito kay Pilapil. No good on that second attempt.
Now ball possession of the USI Falcons with Grabata. 17 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Sumadsad. On the corner now for Pacifico. Pero wala pa rin yan. There was a out of bounds ball. Ball possession ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Hakub with the ball, passes to Solomon, and chooses here for that 3, at makakakuha nga doon ng pangalawang 3 points dito si Hakub.
Now that's a clean basket coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights, but now Grabata on in the ball for the USI Falcons. 15 seconds to shoot here, but there was a whistle foul there. So Grabata will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. Still on the lead ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 3-9 po sa ating talaan. 6-point lead coming from the Golden Knights. Now Grabata for his first attempt. That's good. 7 minutes and 13 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. Now Grabata again on the free throw line for his second attempt. No good for that one.
Hakub, itatabi dito ang bola para sa Junior Knights. Again, taking his time. And a traveling violation was called on the player of the Ateneo Junior Knights. And again, this is brought to us by the Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayan, live your dreams, create memories.
So now a turnover for the side of the USI Falcons. Grabata now handling the ball. Gagawin nito di diretso. But a blind pass. Mapupunta nga ang bola sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Another turnover for their side.
Solomon chooses Hakub. And now Hakub ipapasa dito sa kanyang teammates. Solomon for 3. Again, what a great 3 points coming from this player of the Junior Knights, Solomon.
Nagpapulan nga ng tres dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So what will the USI Falcons at this moment? And now on the corner. No good for that one. Offensive rebound dito ni Panganiban. But that's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayan Travel and Tours. So this is a turnover for the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
So lumalaki nga dito tin ang kalamangan ng Ateneo Junior Knights. One more time for that 3-point. No good.
But a traveling violation was called here. So a turnover again for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang ating USI Falcons. 4-12 po sa ating talaan with just 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating first quarter dito. Abante nga dito ang ating Ateneo Junior Knights. Now, ball possession pa rin dito ng Ateneo. Hakub to inbound. Passes to his teammate. Now, Solomon to Hakub. Ranin may hawak ng bola for that jump shot. No good.
No, Grabata secured the ball for the USI Falcons. Di diretso dito. But that's a foul. So Grabata again will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here for the Falcons. For 12 po sa ating talaan. An 8-point lead coming from the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Sa ating first quarter now, Grabata for his first attempt. In and out ball. Now we will try again for the second time here. 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Now that's a clean basket for the second attempt of Grabata.
Ateneo basketball. Now, Claro, may hawak ng bola dito para sa Ateneo. Tries for that jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Claro for that second chance point at makakakuha nga doon ng puntos ang kanyang kupunan.
Now on the side of the USI Falcons. So much sun on the inside. Pero there's a violation for that one. So a turnover for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Still on the lead po ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights at this moment.
Now, out of bounds ball, pero the ball will remain on the side of the Ateneo. At libreng-libreng ang makakakuha doon ng 2 points. Ang player dito ng Ateneo.
Though, jersey number 22 passes to Grabata. Now on the inside. Magagawin na dito, but
what a great steal. Now, Samson. Derecho. No good on that. Running for that second chance point. At makakakuha nga dito ng additional score ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Though, Grabata for the chance to get a point for the USI Falcons. Passes on the inside. Pero natawagan pa nga dyan ng foul. 2-point opportunity dito para kay Pacifico. 5-18. 13-point lead of the Junior Golden Knights here. Pacifico. The basket for his first attempt. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Another shot on the free throw line. Now, ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Jacob, itatawid dito ang bola para sa Ateneo Junior Knights. Solomon for that corner pocket. Favorite spot dito para kay Solomon at makakakuha nga dito again ng 3 points.
So, Solomon of the Junior Golden Knights umiinit sa ating first quarter. Kapawi dito, Grabata, no good. Offensive rebound. Pero a steal by the Junior Golden Knights.
Jacob passes to Solomon. Solomon tries again for that 3 and a back-to-back 3 points coming from Solomon. What an amazing player here on the side of the Ateneo. Another steal. Solomon for that, no good.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons. Napakaganda ng laro dito ni Solomon ng Golden Knights, but the ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons. 23-7. 16-point lead of the Golden Knights here. What will they do to lessen the gap? Now Aces to inbound. Passes to Grabata. 16 seconds to shoot here. Grabata now. Passes here to Hoshan. Hoshan for a mid-range. That's so short. Ball possession ngayon ng ating Golden Knights again. We have the chance to widen the gap.
Yan, 2 minutes na lamang ang natitira sa ating first quarter. And still the Ateneo Junior Knights ang makakakuha dito ng lead. And on that last sequence nga, another tres para dito sa ating Ateneo.
Now this would be a 4-point opportunity. We're still a ball possession of the Golden Knights.
Now Peña Redondo to inbound. Passes to Samson. And Samson delivers.
Buhay na buhay ngayon ang crowd ng Ateneo Golden Knights, while the USI Falcons still struggling to get a point here. But now Aces passes to Hoshan. Hoshan now. 11 seconds to shoot for 3. That's good. The first 3 for the side of the USI Falcons.
Solomon passes to Jakub. Peña Redondo on that corner pocket, no good.
But na nakakago ng bola dito. Hoshan with the ball. Didiretso sa loob for a layup. That's good.
Now, Golden Knights ball possession. Running. Great block. Pero offensive rebound dito para sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Peña Redondo, out of bounds ball pero mananatili ang bola sa kanilang kupunan. 4 seconds remaining on their shot clock here. Now, Jakub.
Now ball possession of the USI Falcons. Hoshan now. Aces to inbound. Napakalaki na ngayon ang kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights here. Now, Hoshan. A steal by the Golden Knights. Pero the ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons, and they have the chance to lessen the gap here on the last 54 seconds of the first quarter. Now, Hoshan again with the ball. Passes to Aces for 3. No good. But that's a second chance point coming from Panganiban. Yeah. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 14-28. Remaining time for our first quarter, 44 seconds now. We can see the Ateneo Golden Knights is at their peak. Dahil nga napakaraming tres na nanggagaling dito kay Solomon na talagang nagpalamang ng puntos nila against the USI Falcons.
Yan, 28 against 14 nga at abanteng-abante dito ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. So talagang handang-handa dito ang kanilang kupunan. Meanwhile dito sa ating USI Falcons, kailangan nilang mag-double effort and pagandahin dito ang connection inside the hard court para makahabol dito sa ating laro. Now, 44 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng dalawang kupunan na ito?
Now, we're back to the ball game. 14-28. Ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Peña Redondo to inbound. Passes to Agawa. And now, Agawa with the ball. Hakub. Dediretso sa loob at makakakuha ng puntos on that layup.
Now Hoshan for the USI Falcons to Grabata. 19 seconds to shoot here. Grabata kanina papasa. But still, by the Golden Knights. Ten seconds to shoot here for the Golden Knights. Jersey number 3. Passes on the corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Borromeo. Another 2 points here. And that's it. Nagtapos po ang ating first quarter with a score of 14-30 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We'll be back for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here again at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium for our second quarter. Abante pa rin dito ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. So what will the Falcons do para dito sa ating second quarter? Now, Pacifico dire-derecho at makakakuha dito ng 2-point opportunity on that free throw line.
Now that's the first foul for our second quarter. Pacifico on the line for his first shot. Decline for the first. He will try again for the second time. Wala pa rin. But now, Pacifico, offensive rebound, sumadsad. Mid-range jumper, no good. But still, ball possession of the USI. Sumadsad again. Pero natawagan muli ng foul dito. Sumadsad again will be back on the free throw line. Substitution for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yan, Tin. Mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers sa ating 1Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page na nanonood. Shoutout po dito kay Karen K. Escaro, kay Aljan Pogoy at kay Cristina Valenzuela na nakatutok sa atin. Happy viewing po. So yun nga, ball possession ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Borromeo makakakuha nga ng 2 points. And to hear an update on the side of the Falcons, tawagin natin si Chen para sa update. Hi Chen, balitaan mo kami dyan.
Well, Tin and Rick, first quarter has been a roller coaster of emotions. Both teams came out strong, trading basket and displaying incredible defensive prowess. But the Falcons' determination and dedication is still on their spirit to finish this game strong. That's the update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ngayon nga, malakas pa rin ang loob dito na ating USI Falcons. We fight against the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And for our last sequence nga, nakita natin a traveling violation for the side of the Golden Knights, brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons with Hoshan passes to Sumadsad. Now, another Falcons with the ball. Grabata on the inside. Ball possession pa rin yan ng ating USI Falcons. 34-14. 20-point lead. At para makikita yung update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, ano update natin dyan?
The Junior Golden Knights who lead the first and second quarter of game. The Junior Golden Knights tries to remain calm and keep the ball in control as they want to maintain the momentum. As they are strong forwards dedicated to getting that ball, Coach Mac emphasized the importance of keeping the play calm and to execute the 3-2 ball defense strategy cleanly. As the action unfolds, stay with us until the end, only here on Rapid Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel for more insight.
Thank you so much, Angel, for that update. So yun nga, second quarter na tayo and still, Ateneo, they're on the lead here at talagang maganda ang kanilang ball execution dito sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. Now, Agawa with the ball. Passes to Claro and Claro for that. 2 points.
Now ball possession of the USI Falcons. Adorno with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Pacifico, now to Grabata. Back to Pacifico here for 3. No good.
Now, Solomon. Passes to Agawa. And now, jersey number 8 for that jump shot, no good. Pero makakakuha dito ng free throw opportunity si Belano on that last sequence.
No, Adorna of the USI. Passes here to Pacifico. Now 10 seconds to shoot here. Grabata for 3. Still no good for the Falcons.
Ateneo basketball. Solomon for that 3, no good. Again, ball possession ngayon ng Junior Golden Knights. Claro. No good on that last sequence. But a 2-point opportunity here para kay Claro. Offensive rebound dito para sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero a rebound on the side of the USI Falcons.
No, Pacifico. Passes to Asus for 3. No good.
Ateneo basketball. Hakub. May hawak ng bola. Too strong on that pass. A turnover para dito sa Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
No. USI Falcons with the ball possession. Still stuck on 14 para dito sa ating second quarter. Now Gravata tries for 3. Still no good here. 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining.
Borromeo. Jump shot. An offensive rebound coming from Claro. An additional 2 points para dito sa Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Gravata. Another 2 para dito sa ating USI Falcons.
Now Hakub. Passes to Claro. Claro on that attempt. No good, pero a second chance point coming from Kit Borromeo.
Nahirapan pa rin dito ang USI Falcons to maintain their momentum as Gravata got another 2 points here. 18-43.
Now Hakub. And a great steal coming from both teams. Claro. No good.
Now, Panganiban secure the ball for the Falcons. Adorna handling the ball. Passes to Gravata. 17 seconds to shoot. Pero natawagan pa dyan ng foul. Napakalaki na nga ng kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights sa ating second quarter. 18-43 with 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Now, ball possession ngayon ng USI Falcons. Assist to inbound. Bibigay dito kay Panganiban. Passes to Pacifico. Dorna to Gravata for 3. And air ball. Ball possession ngayon ng Golden Knights.
Now, Ranin to inbound. Agawa, itatawid ngayon ang bola para sa Ateneo. Ateneo tries for that 3, no good.
USI Falcons na pagmamadali dito with Gravata. Wala pa rin.
Agawa with the ball. Passes to Borromeo. Agawa on that move, no good.
Gravata again. Passes to Pacifico along 2. No whistle foul there. Now Borromeo.
Now, Ranin to Agawa ngayon para dito sa Ateneo. Ranin on that attempt. And makakakuha nga dito ng 2 puntos ang Ateneo.
Now Gravata. USI Falcons still found their rhythm here on the second quarter. Gravata tries for 3. Naipasok na nga yan ngayon. 21-45.
Agawa. Passes to Ranin. And Ranin will get an opportunity here on that free throw line.
Now 21-45. Gravata with the ball. Gravata on the inside for an easy 2. No good. Defensive rebound. Wala dito kay Panganiban pero wala pa rin.
Now, Agawa, itatawid ngayon ang bola para dito sa Junior Golden Knights. Passes to Keith Borromeo. Borromeo on that attempt and no good. Yan, Tin, mag-shoutout naman tayo dito sa mga live viewers natin sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout dito kila Carla May Calieja, Bolifer, and to our great audiences here sa ating live sa One Media TV 48 Naga. Thank you so much po and happy viewing. Borromeo on that free throw. Pasok ngayon. 1 point added on their score here.
No, USI Falcons. Mamadali dito, Adorna. No good. But offensive rebound. Adorna, passes here. Pero wala pa rin.
Now, Agawa. May hawak ng bola para sa Ateneo. Abiog. Jump shot. No good. Again. Another free throw opportunity here para sa Junior Golden Knights. Pero mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang Falcons. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here at Ateneo Naga University Gymnasium for the matchup of the USI Falcons and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Second quarter po tayo, 21-46 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining.
Clean basket para dito kay Abiog. Another, pero no good on that second attempt.
Now ball possession of the USI Falcons. Grabata now with the ball on the inside. Not so. A point for the Falcons here.
Now, Agawa looking for his teammate. Now, running for that jump shot, and it was good.
A minute and 28 seconds remaining for our first half. Hosha now passes to Grabata. Grabata, 14 seconds to shoot again on the inside. That's good. Dami na putos dito na itatala ni Grabata.
Now, Agawa chooses Solomon, and Solomon for that three, no good.
Now Hoshan passes to Grabata. Pero natawagan nga dyan ng foul. Last 47 seconds for our first half. Grabata now of the Falcons will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. No good for that first attempt of Grabata. 25-49. 24-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights here. That's good for a second try now. Ball possession of the Golden Knights.
And a timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. 26-49 sa ating talaan at abante pa rin dito ang Ateneo. Napasalamatan natin din ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Havaianas, Bigs, and Elise Sportswear. Thank you so much po for your support.
Yan nga, umarangkada na ang Ateneo Golden Knights dito sa ating first half with 49 against 26 of the USI Falcons. Kailangan pang pag-igihan ng depensa at opensa dito ng USI Falcons para makahabol sila sa ating second half. But for the Ateneo, napakaganda pong laban at laro ang kanilang ipinapakita din na dito. Last 47 seconds po of our matchup this afternoon. At abangan nyo po bukas ang ating mga laro. And next week, makikilala na natin ang ating mga teams na kukumpleto sa quarterfinals. Now, back to the ball game muna tayo. Ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Agawa with the ball. Now, Solomon attempting on the 3, no good. Pero a great pass coming from Agawa to Ranin. What a great connection para dito sa ating Junior Golden Knights.
Now, last 26 seconds. Panganiban for the second chance point. Now, this time natawagan na nga ng foul dyan. Panganiban will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Last 20 seconds on our time clock para sa ating first half. Panganiban. First attempt. Clean basket for him. Now he will try again for the second time. Two over 2 for the free throw shot of Panganiban here.
Now, 15 seconds remaining on our second quarter. A great steal coming from Abiog. Running for that. Another 2 points para dito sa ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And that's it. That's the end of our first half here. At abante pa rin dito ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, No new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Tipis taba, BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, dinoble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions.
Second half of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Lamang pa rin nga po ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights 53-28 para sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. And as you can see on our halftime analysis, madami-dami po ang naitaya dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights sa ating first half. For the offensive rebounds, marami-rami dito sa ating Ateneo. And for the turnovers, marami ang naitala ng USI Falcons. Now, ball possession of the Golden Knights. Bumagsak doon isang player ng Ateneo, but now, Pacifico, wala pa rin. One of the player of the Ateneo is down now. We have Solomon of the Golden Knights. One of the key players. Why they are now on the lead sa pagpasok na ating third quarter still. Medyo masama yung pagkakabagsak na yan, but now, papahinga muna ata siya sa ating bench. And we'll continue on the game with the session of the Ateneo.
Now, the show must go on para dito sa ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Abante sila dito, 53-28 sa ating scoreboard. And now, Jacob. Passes to Peña Redondo. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng USI Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, balitaan mo kami dyan.
As we head into half quarter, the team has shown resilience and determination. Coach Ayi must be pleased with the team performance, especially for having a team communication. However, they have to put an extra effort that needs some attention in the second half to lead at the scoreboard. And that's the update. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Jan. Ayan nga. Malaki pa rin ang kalamaan ng Golden Knights against the USI Falcons. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga ba gawin pa dito ng USI Falcons na nasa nagap against the Ateneo. But now, ball possession of the Golden Knights. At para makikita tayo na update all the way from the side, natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi, Angel. Ang mga natin dyan.
Thank you, Greg and Tina. Ladies and gentlemen, we've reached the pivotal third quarter of this game. And it is the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights who have led the charge in this first two quarters of the game. The Junior Golden Knights are poised to maintain their momentum. As Coach Pac wants the players not be complacent with their dedication to secure the ball and to all in their play this game while taking their time. As the game continues to progress, keep following us for the latest update only here at One Media TV, 48 Naga, and Doragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much Angel sa pag-update. Abante nga dito ang ating Ateneo and still, kailangan lang dito ng consistency ng kanilang grupo para dito makakuha dito ng panalo sa araw na ito. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Falcons.
No, Grabata tries for 3. No good. Now, ball possession of the Ateneo. Jersey number 24, steal by the Falcons. Now, Hoshan with the ball. On the inside, napakaganda nun para sa Falcons.
Now, Jacob to Peña Redondo. Now, Peña Redondo on that corner for 3 at makakakuha nga ng 3 para sa last play na yon.
Now, Grabata for the Falcons here. 19 seconds to shoot. Passes to Pacifico. Now Pacifico on the inside. In and out ball. Sayang yun.
Now, Ateneo basketball. Claro to Peña Redondo. No good on that. And a steal coming from the Falcons.
Hoshan. For the Falcons here. What will they do? Still by the Golden Knights. But blocked by the Falcons here. The ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo. Still on the lead, 33-58.
Now, Peña Redondo to inbound. Hakup. Passes to Samson. No good. The ball will go on the side of the Falcons.
Now, Falcons, Adorna, handling the ball. Adorna, passes to Gravata. Pero there's a whistle foul there. The ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons. Now USI 14 seconds to shoot here. 33-58. Assist. Still ball possession pa rin ng USI Falcons. What will they do here to lessen the gap against the Ateneo? Now to inbound. Gravata with the ball. Another whistle foul here. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Ayan, Tin, at nakita nga natin dito na pumasok sa ating venue ang Ateneo Cavalry to support their school here sa ating laro ngayong hapon na ito. Talagang full support dito ang ating Ateneo community.
Now Gravata on the free throw line. No good for that first attempt. He will try again for the second time. (33-58). 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now Gravata. Need basket for his second attempt.
Now, Borromeo to inbound. Passes to Agawa. Borromeo. Passes to Pilapil. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, another offensive rebound dito. A great layup coming from the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
So, Gravata was fouled again on the inside. He will be back on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 34-60. 26-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now for the first attempt of Gravata. No good for that one. No good for that second one. A great deal by the USI. Adorna nagmamadali dito. Wala pa rin. Borromeo with the ball.
Peña Redondo. The ball will remain on the side of the Ateneo.
Now ball possession of the USI Falcons. Gravata to inbound. Now Adorna handling the ball for the USI Falcons here. Now going inside Another great 2 points coming from Adnu. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang ating USI Falcons with 34-60. 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating third quarter. 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining on our time here. 60 and 36 sa ating talaan. Abante pa rin dito ang Ateneo. Now, Peña Redondo looking for his teammate. Abiog on the 3, no good. Pero andon si Ranin on that last play. What a great connection coming from the Ateneo. Another still. Agawa. Agawan nga dito ng bola. Pero Ateneo with that score.
No, USI Falcons with Grabata on the inside. Basket counts. May kasama pang foul yan para kay Grabata. A chance for a 3-point opportunity. 38-64. Now Grabata on the free throw line for a bonus point here. Now Grabata for his free throw. No good. Full possession now of the Ateneo.
Borromeo to Peña Redondo. No good.
Now, Adorna nagmamadali dito. Another 2 points para kay Adorna. No. Full possession of the USI Falcons here. Hoshan with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Pacifico. Drives in. No good, but panganiban. The ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons here. 11 seconds to shoot. 26-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Pacifico to inbound. Sumadsad. Back on the court. No, to inbound again, Pacifico. Pass to Ocean, back to Pacifico. On the inside, no good.
Now, Ateneo ball possession. Abiog, may hawak ng bola. Passes to Agawa. Claro! No good on that layup.
No, Grabata nagmamadali dito for a layup. But he misses it.
Ranin, derecho. No good.
No shot. Passes to Sumatsat for a layup. Now, back ang bola dito sa USI Falcons. Grabata now, driving inside, but he still misses it. Ball possession of the Ateneo, jersey number 3, but a steal by Grabata now. Wala pa rin for that layup.
Peña Redondo. No good. Ranin dito.
No, substitution inside of the Ateneo. Ball possession now of the USI Falcons. A minute and 8 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now Hoshan handling the ball for the USI Falcons. 18 seconds to shoot. Hoshan tries for 3. No good.
Ateneo basketball ngayon. Agawa. Passes to Abiog. And now, no good on that. Pero again, assist coming from Borromeo.
32 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now, Grabata. But this time, there's a whistle foul. It will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 42-68. Last 25 seconds of our third quarter. Now Grabata for his first attempt. That's good. We'll try again for the second time. Two over 2 for Grabata here on the free throw line. Now ball possession of the Ateneo.
Fifteen seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Ball possession ngayon ng Ateneo. Now, Jacob may hawak ng bola. And a traveling violation was called on Jacob.
Now, last 2 seconds. What will the USI do here? Will they get a shot? As now Hoshan with the ball. But that's it. Yan po nagtatapos sa ating third quarter. 44-68 still in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium for our fourth quarter. Again, abante pa rin dito ang atin.
Now, Ateneo still on the lead sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter. Now, it's their ball possession. Now, jersey number 27 to inbound.
Now, Jakub, may hawak ng bola dito. Taking their time here. Jakub for that layup, no good. The ball will go on the side of the Falcons.
Now, that's the last chance of the USI Falcons to get on the side of the Ateneo. Askrapata opened the fourth quarter for the Falcons with a big three.
And now, Borromeo chooses Belano, and Belano tries for that three, no good. Offensive rebound dito, pero naagaw. Back-to-back steal coming from the both teams. Now, kitang-kita naman talaga natin dito na ang ganda ng laro na pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. And to hear an update on the side of the Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi, Chen. Anong balita dyan?
Yan, babalikan natin mamaya si Chen. But as of now, jersey number 27 of the Ateneo is on the free throw line for two shots here. 47-68 na nga rin ang nasa ating talaan.
Jakub with the free throw opportunity. Yan, pasok nga on that second attempt. At para makingi na tayo ng update sa side ng Falcons, tawagin natin si Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. As we approach the final minutes, the Falcons are still trying to close the score against Golden Knights. But Coach I hopes and remind the players to keep their heads up regardless the result, and will learn something from their game and their performance. That's the update. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, the Falcons need to focus on the offensive and the defensive side of their team, as now Pacific on the inside driving. No good at this one.
Ayan, ball possession ulit dito ng Ateneo Dinaga. Junior Golden Knights, at para makingi tayo ng update on the side of the Ateneo side, tawagin natin si Angel. Hi Angel, anong balita dyan?
Hey there, Rick and Tina. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are in the decisive fourth quarter, the ultimate stage of this game. And it is the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights who has asserted the dominance in this quarter. The Junior Golden Knights are resolute in their pursuit of victory as they enter the final stretch. Coach Mack is empathetically motivating the players to always secure the ball, all while stressing with patience and strategic gameplay. As this trailing game unfolds, we urge you to stay with us for the latest updates and insight. Now let's rejoin our panel for the depth analysis and commentary on the intense competition. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Angel. Ayan nga, still on the lead ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights with 21-point lead here. As you can see, on the defensive and offensive side of the Ateneo, napakaganda nga na performance na pinapakita nila dito sa ating pagpasok sa fourth quarter. Now, still ball possession of the Ateneo.
Ateneo basketball. Claro, may hawak ng bola. No good. A steal coming from the USI Falcons. Now Grabata. A great turn, pero wasted opportunity here on the side of Falcons. Now Jakub. Itatawid ngayon ang bola para dito sa Junior Golden Knights. Pero turnover para dito sa koponan ng Ateneo. That's why the ball will go on the side of the Falcons.
Now, possession of the USI. 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating last quarter. Now, Grabata to inbound. Abangan niyo po bukas ang ating first game It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the Pasakaw Academy at exactly 10 a.m. po. Mas maaga po sila ngayon. So watch out here live at Ateneo. But as of the moment, Grabata driving inside. But now, it's good for him.
Now, Pilapil passes the ball to Hakub. And now, 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights. Solomon, no good on that attempt.
No, Grabata with the ball. Again, driving inside. Another 2 points for Grabata.
Grabe talagang bakbakan dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. Both teams are really performing well para dito sa ating larong ito. Turnover para sa Ateneo. Now chance for the Falcons to have a score here.
Now, 18-point lead with just 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Will the USI Falcons lessen the gap against the Ateneo? And we will see a great fight here with Grabata. Misses that 3 points. But Sagi now to Adorna. Sagi again with the ball. 7 seconds to shoot. Now Adorna. That's a 3-point shot coming from him.
Ayan, nakikita natin dito na nabubuhayan na dito ang USI Falcons. They need to double their effort here para lamang at madikit ang score dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. So nakita nga natin dito ang paunti-unting paghabol ng kanilang kuponan sa larong ito. Now Borromeo on that free throw line.
Now, USI Falcons basketball. Adorna. Grabata now. No good. Borromeo with the ball. Now,
Ranin. No good. Pero the ball will remain on the side of the Ateneo. Hakub for the 3 points. Now, 5 minutes na lamang ang natitira sa ating larong ito. And still, USI Falcons chasing the score here. Mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng Ateneo. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back to the ball game here. Ball possession of the Ateneo. 58-75. 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Now, Ateneo. What a steal by the Falcons. Adorna with that layup. 15-point lead na lamang ang hinahabol dito ng USI Falcons. Now back to 17 here. Falcons need to double their effort now. Grabata with the ball. Passes to Adorna. Now they're taking their time. Adorna still by the Ateneo.
A wasted opportunity here para sa side ng Falcons. Now, the Ateneo is enjoying it. They are comfortable with their lead. Dagdagan mo pa on that last sequence.
The Falcons with the ball. Grabata now. 3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Grabata. No good.
Another wasted opportunity para dito sa USI. Now, mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng Falcons. 79-60 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating laro. Only here at Oragon Sports. We are back on the ball game with Ateneo for the matchup of the USI. The Ateneo now libre. Another point for the side of the Golden Knights. 60-81. Balik po sa 21-point lead dito ang ating Golden Knights. Now Grabata with the ball for the Falcons here. Tries to shoot. No good. Golden Knights ball possession 23. But the ball will stay on their side. We are now down to the last 2 minutes and 6 seconds of the game. Jersey number 8, Milano to inbound. Now, Belano. At maaagawan niya dito ng bola Nagawa ng bola dito. Pero a shoveling violation was called on the player of the Ateneo. Now, chance for the Falcons here to have a score.
Ball possession now on the Ateneo. Pacifico to inbound. Divizon. Papalit dito. Now, passes to Geronimo. Geronimo. 19 seconds to shoot. Passes to Grabata. Now, Grabata, what will he do? Well, that's a turnover for the side of the Ateneo. Last 1 minute and 39 seconds of this matchup. Milano now. Passes to Pen. But that's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams. Create memories. Now ball possession of the USI. But at the 25 seconds remaining here now. Geronimo with the ball. Passes to the Bison. Back to Geronimo. 17 seconds to shoot here. Now the Bison. Nice for a layup. Green basket for him.
Now, Fusho. May hawak ng bola dito para sa Ateneo. Last 1 minute here sa ating laro. "45 seconds remaining on our time here."
Now Geronimo driving inside, but there's a whistled foul here. Geronimo will be on the free throw line. No, Geronimo on the free throw line for 2 shots here. That's good.
What a great steal coming from the USI Falcons. Ateneo basketball. 10 seconds na lamang ng titira sa atin.
Now Geronimo with last 4 seconds, and I think we can conclude that the Ateneo have won the game against the USI Falcons. Official time 1 second and 10 counts here. And just to congratulate the USI Falcons for this matchup. But that's it. The Ateneo Golden Knights snatched the win here tonight, scoring 66-81. Sa ating pong pagbabalik, nakikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang
I am here with the best player of the game on today's elimination match, John Francis Ranin, jersey number 24 of the Junior Golden Knights. He is here with 14 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals, and congratulations. Now, how does it feel that you hold the best player of the game title for today's elimination round?
It feels grateful. I can do this without my teammates and my coaches, so thanks to them. And especially that community for the support.
I really witnessed the dynamics of the team on the court, and now, as the team captain, what is your preparation for this game, knowing that this game was an important round for you guys?
So we were struggling in our free throws, so we worked on our free throws, and our defense was lousy, so we worked on our zone defense and man-to-man defense. Yeah.
I am sure that the Ateneo community is very proud of your achievement. Now I will give you the court to shout out your family members, your friends, and your loved ones who are watching you right now live.
Shout out to my family and sa dormers and sa GF ko po.
Thank you very much for that majestic answer. Once again, John Francis Ranin, jersey number 24 of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. That's it, folks. This has been Angel Vito Plano, your courtside correspondent, all the way from the Junior Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 24, John Francis Ranin, with 14 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists, and 2 steals. And now again, the Ateneo Dinaga University Golden Knights snatch again the win against the USI Falcons.
Yan, team, pinakataan tayo ng dalawang kupunan ng magandang gabi. Ngayong araw na ito, talaga namang binigay nila ang best nila, but still, may nananalo, may natatalo. And congratulations on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights dahil pasok na sila sa ating quarterfinals. Abangan natin ang mga laro bukas at sa linggo dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, this is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Reyes. Ang ating first game po is the Annunciation Panthers and the Pasakaw Academy, only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.